Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my holiday haul. I am so excited that the holiday releases are starting to come out now. Oh, I just can't wait to show you guys everything that I've picked up so far. I was able to get a couple of the holiday sets early, but I also went to the Rouge event this morning at my local Sephora and I picked up a couple other sets to show you guys as well. Really quick, if you guys are new, hello, my name is jenafroese. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I chat about high-end and luxury makeup on this channel. That is my absolute favorite thing ever. So if you're like me and you enjoy high-end makeup, you want honest reviews on things like that, then I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. And without further ado, let's get on to this haul. The first set that I was able to get my hands on a little bit earlier is from Tarte. It is their Tarte Sweet Escape set. It is available now at the Ulta website as well as tartecosmetics.com, and this is what this one looks like. It is so fun and sequiny and beautiful. And when you open it up, it is really jam-packed with a lot of different stuff, which I really, really like. You have the cheek stuff, which is way on the left side. I almost have to get out of frame to put this guy in because it's so wide. But anyways, there is stuff on the left side here, 2 blushes, a highlight, and a bronzer. Then you have the eyeshadows in the center. Then you also have a lip product, which is missing here, and I will show you that one. Plus, you also have the Man-Eater mascara and the Man-Eater eyeliner. The lip product that is in this kit is a Glide and Go Buttery lipstick from them. And this one is in the shade Naughty Nude, and this is what this one looks like. It is super adorable. And then this is the swatch as well. So it's a really beautiful nude color, very buttery and creamy. And this is a really, really cute set. So I did do a video battling this set with the other set that I'm about to show you. And it's kind of a which one is a better buy type idea. So I battled this one against the Sephora exclusive, which I will show you right away. But this one is super adorable as well. So I'm really excited to have gotten this one too. Next, let's talk about the Sephora exclusive. This is the Tarte Pineapple of My Eye set. This is really adorable as well. Again, pineapple packaging, but this is a pineapple itself. So the other one just had a pineapple on the center of it. This one is a beautiful pineapple and it's a little bit bulky. Like when you look at it kind of horizontally, you can see there's a bit of a bulge in the center, so it's going to be a bit harder to store, but I guess as long as you put this one on top, you're good to go. But anyways, when you open this one up as well, it has a lot of very similar kind of elements to it, just like the Sweet Escape one. So you do have some eyeshadows here, which are stunning, and then you have your cheek products on the left side. There are 2 blushes in here as well, a bronzer and a highlight. This one also comes with a mascara as well as a eyeliner and a lip product. So the mascara in this kit is the Lights Camera Lashes, and this is a beautiful mascara. Like, it's one of my favorites, so I was really happy to see this one in this kit. It also comes with the Sex Kitten eyeliner, and lastly it comes with a lip product. This is the Lip Quencher though. This is a little bit different than the Go Buttery lipstick. Very different types of product, and the shade in this one is called Pink. So this is this one. I'm gonna swatch it right beside the Go Buttery one, and I'll show you just kind of what it looks like there. So the one on the left is the Lip Quencher. And as you can see, it's a little bit sheerer and much more shiny than the Go Buttery one. If you are interested in my video where I battle these 2 out and let you know which one is the better buy, I will definitely leave it in the cards as well as the description box. I also have a whole holiday 2018 playlist, so I will leave that as well in the description box for you if you're interested. Next, I want to talk about the other set that I was able to get my hands on early. This is also available at Sephora. This is the Too Faced Christmas Dreams Dream Queen set. And I just reviewed this one as well, so I will link it for you guys if you're interested. But this one also comes with a lot of really cool things, and I love the pale pink and the gold of that one. It's just like totally my aesthetic, so I love that. So inside that one, we have the palette. This is the Dream Queen palette in like a book style. When you open it up, you do have your eyeshadows as well as your cheek products. So that's what this one looks like inside. Super, super adorable. I am digging this one as well. It also comes with a deluxe Better Than Sex mascara, which is also another mascara favorite. So if you haven't tried this one out, you definitely should. I love how this one performs just as well as the full size, so that is amazing. And it also comes with a Pink Swan lip gloss. This is an interesting gloss, you guys. Initially, I was like, uh-oh, like Is this one going to be good or what? Because it's pretty shimmery, but it's actually really beautiful on the lips. They do the shimmer really well, so I am loving that one. Swatched it is on the far right, and as you can see, it is really, really sheer and shimmery and looks beautiful on the lips. The last couple things that this set comes with is one of their Hangover RX setting sprays. This one is funny because I had never personally tried it until I got this kit, and I know it's a bestseller, so I was really missing out. This is a beautiful product though, so I'm really, really excited to have gotten this in the kit and in my collection as well. The last thing is this really cute makeup bag, and this one as well has really beautiful cute swans, so I am really digging that as well. If you want my full thoughts on this whole collection, then definitely check out that video after this one. The next holiday set is a set that I get every single year. This is the Sephora Collection Face Mask Magic Set. It comes with 5 face masks. There are different, I guess, scents every single year, because there definitely wasn't a pineapple one last year or a coconut one. I think those are brand new. Now these masks are not necessarily the most life-changing masks ever, but they do moisturize and plump up the skin. They smell really amazing as well, and I use them while I have a bath at the end of an evening, so I just like to relax and just chill out with one of these on my face. They're so easy to use, and they're thin and they're serum packed, so they are super, super nice in my opinion. I wouldn't say, like I said, that they're like the most life-changing things ever, but they are really special. So I love this kit because I get to try a whole bunch of them out in a really cute package. I think this would make a really lovely present as well, just for people that are into that kind of thing, but I am super excited for this one as well. The next thing is from Briogeo. This is the Hair-O-Scope kit, and this is super adorable as well. I got this in store at the holiday event, just like the face mask magic one that I just recently showed. If you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know that I love the mask that is in this kit, so that's what really intrigued me. But this one opens up like this, and it's super cute. It has a full size of the mask in it. Then it also comes with the Rosarco Perfection cream. So this one is like a conditioning cream, which is amazing. I have tried that one and I love it. It also comes with the Rosarco Milk leave-in conditioning spray. I haven't tried that one yet, so that one I'm excited for. And the last thing is the Scalp Revival shampoo. The other 3 things are deluxe sizes, so they're not full size, but this mask is full size. And I believe you get the mask plus these 3 things for around the same cost as the mask by itself. So that is amazing, and I love the packaging. This would also make a perfect gift for someone that is into hair products, because this mask is one of my favorites. Next, I want to show you the Beautyblender set that I was able to get early online as well. This one is so adorable, and it comes with 4 Beauty Blenders and 4 of their solid shampoo bars. We do have the original Beautyblender way at the far left, then we have the Sapphire edition that they just recently released, and I believe the last 2 are new. So the green one is called Ivy and the yellow one is called Joy. So I think this is really, really nice because I do like to stock up on Beauty Blenders either during the sale or during holiday kits, because I can get more Beauty Blenders for my buck. And personally, my Beauty Blender is one of my staple beauty tools. I use it every single day. So this is absolutely worth the price for me. And I love that it comes with the solid cleansers. They look like little candies, so that is super adorable as well. The last thing is another really anticipated release this year. This is from Becca, and this is their Macaron little mini highlight set. In my local store, this one was sold out really, really quickly, probably within the first 15 minutes of being in the event. So this one is super, super exciting. I'm not going to open this one up because this one is going to be going in my holiday giveaway that I'm going to be doing later on this year, but this one is so cute. So there are 4 Becca highlighters in here in mini size. There's their very classic opal shade, there's their rose quartz, vanilla quartz, and there's also the prismatic amethyst shade. So out of the 4, I actually own 3 of them in full size, so I will show you those. So the first one I'll show you is the opal shade, and I have had this for quite a few years now. I love this shade. It is classic, it is one of their best sellers, and as you can see, I am so close to hitting pan. It is crazy. This is what this one looks like, and as you can see, it's amazing. I have been in love with the Shimmering Skin Perfector formula for quite some time. So this is opal. It is so beautiful. The next one is vanilla quartz. This is what this one looks like. Super adorable as well. This is also a really, really flattering shade. So this one is vanilla quartz, and this one as well, you can kind of see it's a gorgeous shimmer as well. This one is a little bit lighter than Opal. It's more of a silvery gold compared to Opal, like it's more of a white silver, whereas Opal is definitely more of a champagne-y kind of light bronze. And then I also have rose quartz, and this one as well, beautiful packaging with the rose metallic, and I kind of blend it out as on the swatch so you can kind of see what it would look like more so on the skin. Rose is way on the far right, and then we have vanilla right beside it. Of course, rose is definitely much more of a rosy undertone, but it's still super flattering, and it doesn't have the rose like streak under it, so when you actually blend it into the skin, it's a really nice, beautiful, like universal color. It's not going to be too dark unless you're like really fair, so that is so amazing. As you can see, I am a big fan of the Becca formula for their highlights, so I do think this little kit is going to be very well loved by someone. The minis almost made me want to buy them for myself, but I had to be strong and realize that, you know what, I have 3 of them in full size. Jenna, you don't need this. Even though they're so stinking cute. Anyways, guys, that is it for my holiday haul so far. As things are releasing, of course, I'll be picking up some more things to review for you guys, as well as to add to my collection because I am kind of a makeup junkie. So 2 birds with 1 stone is what I say. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe. I would love to see you guys back here, and definitely check out my holiday 2018 playlist if you're interested in any reviews on any of these products. Until my next video, guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way.